What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I had to get down here and make a video. And the reason why I had to make a video was because JASMYCOIN is definitely breaking out again. And I'm excited for whenever it breaks out. Has it broke out to a level of 5 cents or 10 cents? No. But it's making a move. And we're going to see that little glimpse of exactly where it's going to go. And it's always maybe to throw a little bit of like I told you so to a lot of those people that are like JASMYCOIN's never going to get back above 2 cents, or it's never going to surpass 2 cents, right, to 2.1, 2.2, 2 whatever. And it's kind of like a I told you so. I knew that was going to happen. But people like to push you down in a way as you're succeeding. They like to knock you down or chop you at the knees and hopefully that you fall, right? But this is not the case. We know what JASMYCOIN is as an OG JASMYCOIN millionaire, as an OG JASMYCOIN holder. I believe in what this project's going to do, as well as the impact as the chain is going to have on JASMYCOIN itself. So let's talk about JASMYCOIN, the breakout that it's having, as well as going into my Margex and seeing the short-term gains that I plan on having and that I already have currently. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for Margex. Again, I'm going to show you guys my Margex in a little bit, where we're going to go through basically what my returns are there. But feel free to check out Margex down below. You can trade JASMYCOIN up to 50x leverage if you want to. You can trade as little as 5x leverage, and you can also trade as little as $1 if you wanted to, in order to get yourself comfortable with leverage trading if you're afraid of trading with leverage. If you don't understand leverage, I have a whole entire breakdown on my Patreon going through the mental side of it as well as the physical side of it. And if you want to reach out to me personally, you can do that on Patreon as well. But let's go ahead and talk about JASMYCOIN in this video. Now, I'm a big fan of JASMYCOIN. There's a lot of other people that are big fans of JASMYCOIN, but there's also people that are haters of JASMYCOIN. And as we saw, JASMYCOIN make moves and get up to 2.7 cents. It ended up coming down, and when it came down to 1.3, 1.4, people were like, it's never going back up to 2 cents again. Well, obviously you're wrong. It was hovering around 2 cents for a while. Currently, where it stands is actually around the 2.4 cent level. So it's definitely breaking out. As of today, we're seeing it up 11% on the day. My total crypto balance, since I have 1 million, is 23, basically what the price is, just adding on multiple zeros, right? Is $23,800. $15.14. And we're seeing that the market cap is at a 1.1, almost $1.2 billion market cap. Volume today is up by 268%. We're seeing at $141 million worth of volume. Absolutely phenomenal for the level of growth. If we look at the last 7 days, it is up 18%. We're seeing this movement from the 0.2 level all the way up to 2 cent level to 2.4 cents there. So all the people obviously, a week ago were wrong about the fact that it's not coming. They were actually wrong like right afterwards. It went from 1.3 or 1.4 back up to 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, and then collapsed a little bit from there as the market started to come back. But we haven't even seen altcoin season yet. So I don't know why people are thinking that JASMYCOIN's not going to have these runs, right? The fact that it's broken out and it's made a move, this is just the bare minimum. This is the beginning stages of things. So while you see people that are getting in now, you're looking at maybe times where it could be a little bit negative, slightly negative, and then it will break out, and then you'll have a brand new set of people that come in. That's exactly how things go in investing. You go up a little bit, you level out, or you come back a little bit, you retrace as people sell some of those to get profits, and then you see people that try and invest at those low levels. Some people will invest on the way up, and they'll end up losing money because they may be exit liquidity for some other people, right? And it's okay. It doesn't mean that that's the ultimate exit liquidity. It doesn't mean that JASMYCOIN is not going to be worth anything. It's just the normal progression of a stock, a normal progression of an investment, a normal progression of a cryptocurrency, normal progression of a market. That's how that goes. You invest, it ends up retracing. You invest again, ends up retracing. You invest. That's what dollar cost averaging is. You invest at the right moments or the best times where you feel like you can. But currently it stands at 2.3 almost 2.4 cents, and I'm excited about that level of growth that we are seeing. Now, when we go into maybe some of the levels that I have, again, I have about $24,000 sitting in my Coinbase account with $1 million that's over there, but I also have some invested in Margex. Now, I talked about Margex earlier. If you guys want to check out my link, it'll be at the top of the description. But I have a certain amount invested into Margex, and I'm actually up 2,767%. I'm up $890 on this play because I did a 50x leverage. Now, this is a risky play. I saw an opportunity at the level that I invested, and I said, this is a huge opportunity because we're going to see it bounce. And it did bounce. I ended up already profiting out of it. So while I still have $900, people are telling me you need to take that money and take that profit. I could. That'll be a total of maybe 1,100 or closing it on $1,200. Yeah, it would be great profit. But I already have my initial investment, which was $60. And I have $60 plus another $190 that I captured as profit. So everything else that's sitting here is gravy because I took my initial investment at a lower amount. So I'm not afraid of losing this entire thing or getting completely liquidated. Yes, I would lose out on the $900, but I'm still up on the play, right? There's a lot more left on the table if you can see this thing through. Does that make sense? So while this is growing, again, I'm up $897 or 2,700, 2,800% on my play. And that's because I invested at a 50x leverage. I recommend you start at a 5 to 10x leverage if you guys are interested in trading with Margex, but that's just me. Right? I'm not going to tell you exactly what to do, but that's what I would do if I was investing from scratch or I was getting in there right now. But you have to find the right play as well. You have to understand reading charts as you're going into it. So I just wanted to show you guys in what I had in my short-term gains because this right here, this amount, this 2,000% that I have here, let me go here, 2,800%, the $907 that we have there, this is what's going to determine how much I end up taking from this. Because if I get, let's say, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 from that, I already collect my initial investment. There's no reason to pull out profits too early on this, right? Because I know what the ultimate goal is going to be, and I already have my initial investment from over here. So that's kind of my goal of what I was trying to do with JASMYCOIN. But just to tell you guys, this is just the beginning. The breakout that we're seeing in JASMYCOIN is just the beginning. Understand that the Ethereum, ETFs are going to have a massive impact to the Ethereum chain and things that are built on it. When you look at Bitcoin, you have an impact with Bitcoin. You don't have much impact to everything else that's built there, but you do have a huge impact on Bitcoin. For Ethereum, everything that you see that's going to be built that is a major player within that chain is going to have a major impact as Ethereum becomes more of a traditionalist investment, more consistent growth, kind of like an ETF, because it does have an ETF, right, or multiple ETFs. You're going to see that consistent growth, and you're going to see the same thing happen for the trickle-down effect in a lot of the Ethereum projects, and JASMYCOIN is one of those. So I'm looking forward to seeing that massive growth for JASMYCOIN, and as well as proving a lot of people wrong and people that believing that JASMYCOIN is just not going to be worth anything. People have already made money from it. I've made a ton of money from it. I would love to get my money realized back to me, and eventually I will. But in due time. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about JASMYCOIN. Hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.